afternoon to you all. Welcome back to Transportation from Hussein. I'm Hussein and welcome to Peterborough Station. I am currently standing on platform 2A and 3A. I'm here for the class 2, the class 800 and 801 series and the Azuma. And your Azuma service. That's 801. Now arriving into Peterborough Station. Eight 205. 5 car config.
This is the old one?
Yep, class 91. Class 91. 225.
This is the ladies' one.
91 225 service to London King's Cross. Calling out King's Cross only. We have a class 92 2218. Thameslink service to Horsham via London. Thameslink service, class 707. 700 118. 115, I don't know. Don't know how to read, okay? Shush. Class 800 LNER service to I think Leeds or Edinburgh. Oh, to Lincoln Central. 800. 800-201. Azuma service with LNER. Seven 134 Thameslink service from Horsham. This train terminates here. Or electric train. And coming now on platform 3A is the Azuma service. (801-111). Now departing platform 3 is the Azuma service. 801-111. Service to London's London King's Cross. Calling at King's Cross only. This is 2 trains. Now departing to Horsham. Class 91 LNER service, and also I think it's a class 8000. This train is not stopping here. Flying Scotsman. Here, service to King's Cross, not stopping at Peterborough. One 156 411. Now departing Peterborough station. Your Flying Scotsman livery. This is the service from Edinburgh, an ER service to London King's Cross. Departing platform 3 from Peterborough, service from Edinburgh, now going to London King's Cross. I don't think it's stopping at anywhere, I think it's going direct. Service now departing platform 4 is a LNER Azuma service to Leeds, calling at Doncaster, Wakefield, Westgate and Leeds. The service is at 8:01. Now departing platform 4. Boom. (8:01) 102. Thank you for stopping at Peterborough. Service from King's Cross. Now arriving platform 1 is a service to Lincoln Central from here, Peterborough. Stopping at platform 1B. Here you have a service to York, platform 4. This is LNER Flying Azuma, calling at Grantham. This is 801, 105, 2 trains connected.
Up that thing, one minute. 822101.
Now departing platform 4 is the LNER Azuma service to York, calling at Grantham, Newark, Northgate, Doncaster and York. This train is a 801, consists of 9 coaches. 801, 101. Cross-country service from Birmingham New Street going to Stansted Airport. 3 carriages cross-country by Arriva. Class 170, 108. When you get Stansted Airport via Cambridge. Service to Edinburgh. LNER Azuma. Eight 213 now departing. Platform 4. LNER Azuma service. Heading to Edinburgh, I'm pretty sure. Consists of 9 coaches. Or 8. Thank you for stopping at Peterborough. See you next time. Says from King's Cross. Welcome to Leicester. 17522, thank you for taking us to Leicester. Soon be departing to Birmingham New Street. 170522, thank you for taking me. See you next time. Watching this video, see you next time.